इस वीडियो में हम गरीबी को इंडिया के रेस्पेक्ट में पढ़ेंगे और इसके डायमेंशंस को भी समझेंगे। Poverty is basically a state or condition in which a person or community lacks the essential for a minimum standard of living. Roughly 270 million, that means 27 crore people in India live in poverty according to 2011-12 data. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of poor in the world. चैप्टर स्टार्ट होता है राम सरन की स्टोरी से। राम सरन एक अर्बन एरिया में रहने वाला लैंडलेस डेली वेज लेबर है। इसकी फैमिली में इसके बूढ़े माँ बाप को मिलाकर 8 पर्सन्स हैं जो सभी के सभी इलिटरेट हैं, अंडर नरिश्ड हैं। इनकी फैमिली में चाइल्ड लेबर भी होता है और इनको गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी हेल्प नहीं मिलती है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ लखा सिंह की स्टोरी है। ये एक गांव में रहने वाले लैंडलेस फार्म लेबर हैं। इनकी फैमिली भी 8 मेंबर्स की है जो सभी के सभी इलिटरेट हैं। लखा सिंह के पेरेंट्स टीबी के पेशेंट हैं। इनकी फैमिली में भी चाइल्ड लेबर होता है और इनको भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी हेल्प नहीं मिलती है। Dimensions of poverty. Different dimensions of poverty are hunger, lack of shelter, unable to attend school, unable to afford treatment, lack of clean water and sanitation facilities, lack of regular job, living with a sense of helplessness. सोशल साइंटिस्ट पॉवर्टी को कैसे देखते हैं? अपार्ट फ्रॉम लेवल्स ऑफ इनकम एंड कंजम्पशन, अदर इंडिकेटर्स ऑफ पॉवर्टी एज सीन बाय सोशल साइंटिस्ट आर इलिटरेसी लेवल, लैक ऑफ जनरल रेसिस्टेंस ड्यू टू माल न्यूट्रिशन, लैक ऑफ एक्सेस टू हेल्थ केयर, लैक ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, लैक ऑफ एक्सेस टू सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, सैनिटेशन एटसेट्रा। सोशल एक्सक्लूजन यानी सामाजिक अपवर्जन। Poverty must be seen in terms of poor having to live only in a poor surrounding with other poor people, excluding from enjoying social equality. Social exclusion is the cause of poverty as well as social exclusion is caused due to poverty. For example, people belonging to certain castes are excluded from equal opportunities. गरीब लोगों को जब समाज से दूर रखा जाता है, उन्हें समाज में इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता है, तो इसे सोशल एक्सक्लूजन कहते हैं। सोशल एक्सक्लूजन गरीबी का कारण भी है और गरीबी के कारण भी सोशल एक्सक्लूजन होता है। वल्नरेबिलिटी यानी अति संवेदनशीलता। Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater possibility of certain communities, members of backward caste or individuals such as a widow or a physical handicapped person of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years. Vulnerability describes the greater probability of being more adversely affected than other people when bad time comes for everybody, whether a flood or an earthquake और सिंपली अ फॉल इन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ जॉब्स। जब कभी भी कोई बुरी घटना होती है, जैसे कोई अर्थक्वेक आता है या बाढ़ आ जाता है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा गरीब ही अफेक्ट होते हैं। यह भी गरीबी का एक पहलू है। पॉवर्टी लाइन यानी गरीबी रेखा। अ पर्सन इज कंसिडर्ड पुअर इफ हिज और हर इनकम और कंजम्पशन लेवल फॉल्स बिलो अ गिवन मिनिमम लेवल नेसेसरी टू फुलफिल द बेसिक नीड्स। Each country uses an imaginary line that is considered appropriate for its existing level of development and its accepted minimum social norms and below which the person shall be considered poor. While determining the poverty line in India, a minimum level of food requirement, clothing, footwear, fuel and light, educational and medical requirement, etc. are determined for subsistence. These physical quantities are multiplied by their prices in rupees. The present formula for food requirement while estimating the poverty line is based on the desired calorie requirement provided by food items. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person per day in urban areas. On the basis of these calculations, for the year 2011-12, the poverty line for a person was fixed at Rs 816 per month for rural areas and Rs 1000 for urban areas. It means a family of 5 members living in rural areas and earning less than Rs 4080 per month will be below the poverty line. गरीबी रेखा एक मापदंड है जिसमें सरकार के द्वारा फिक्स किया गया एक अमाउंट के नीचे अगर कोई व्यक्ति कमाता है तो वह गरीब कहलाता है. The poverty line is estimated periodically, normally every 5 years, by conducting sample surveys. These surveys are carried out by the National Sample Survey Organization (NSSO). For making comparisons between developing countries, the World Bank has estimated the earning of at least $1.90 per person per day to be above poverty line. The poverty ratio in India has declined from 45% in 1993-94 to 22% in 2011-12. Who are the worst affected? गरीबी से सबसे ज़्यादा कौन लोग प्रभावित होते हैं? Social groups which are more vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe households. Among the economic groups, the most vulnerable groups are the rural agricultural labor households and the urban casual labor household. Women, elderly people and female infants are denied equal access to resources available to the family. इंटर स्टेट डिस्पैरिटीज़, यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं बिहार, उड़ीसा और असम, ये 3 राज्य भारत के सबसे पिछड़े राज्य हैं, जबकि केरला, हिमाचल प्रदेश, पंजाब ये 3 भारत के सबसे कम गरीबी वाले राज्य हैं. ग्लोबल पॉवर्टी सिनेरियो. Number of poor in China has come down from 88.3% in 1981 to only 14.7% in 2008 to 0.7% in 2015. In the countries of South Asia, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, the decline has also been rapid, 34% in 2005 to 16.2% in 2013. According to the data, India has the highest number of poor in the world. तो दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा गरीब लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं. The causes of poverty in India are as follows: low level of economic development under the British colonial administration, high growth rate of population, unequal distribution of land and other resources, other socio-cultural and economic factors like spending a lot of money on religious ceremonies, lack of formal loan facilities, improper implementation of government policies, anti-poverty measures in India. Some of the targeted anti-poverty measures in India are Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, MGNREGA, aims to provide 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana is another scheme which was started in 1993. The aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. Rural Employment Generation Program was launched in 1995. The aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities to rural areas and small towns. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana was launched in 1999. The program aims to bringing The program aims at bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty line by organizing them into self-help group. Pradhan Mantri Gramoday Yojana, launched in 2000, in which additional central assistance is given to states for basic services such as primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water, and rural electrification. Despite the progress, poverty reduction remains India's most compelling challenge. The major challenges with respect to reduction in poverty are reduction in economic disparities between rural and urban areas, as well as among different states. Reduction of poverty among certain vulnerable groups like Dalits, women, etc. To achieve higher economic growth, increase access to universal free elementary education, decline in population growth, increasing empowerment of women and the economically weaker sections of society. Thank you for watching.